Hello students, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss the topic insertion sort. Okay, to insertion sort is a method to sort an array, arrange the elements of array either in ascending or descending order. Two methods of sorting an array I have already uploaded that are bubble sort and selection sort. The videos for bubble sort and selection sort I have already uploaded on my channel, and I will try to put the link of that two videos in my description of this video. And in this video, I'm going to discuss the third method to arrange the elements of array either in ascending or descending order, that is insertion sort. Okay, so without wasting your and my time, let's start with this new topic, that is insertion sort. Here we go. Okay, so you can see this array. Here I have shown an array. Consider the name of this array is A, and these are the elements we have stored into the array. Consider the index. As you know, index starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so we are going to arrange these elements of array in ascending order. First I will explain you in ascending order. In ascending order using insertion sort technique. Okay, so students, keep on listening. Just without skipping this video, please watch till end. The things will be clear. I'm sure. I'm making it sure. I will try to explain my best. So keep listening. Don't leave the video at the beginning only. The things will be clear if you keep watching it. Okay. So I'm requesting you all, just watch this video carefully. Okay. So in insertion sort, what we do, we divide the array into two parts. Okay, here like this. This part we considered as sorted array, and this part is remaining. This part we considered as unsorted array. Okay, and as the pass goes, after each pass, the sorted array part will increase this side, will move this side, and at the end, the sorted array part will reach to this, and the whole array elements will be sorted. Whole array elements will be arranged in the ascending order. Okay, how it is? Just keep listening. So here we have divided the array into two parts. This part is what? Sorted array part, and this part is what? Unsorted array part. Okay, I hope. So since we have taken only one element, you know, if there is only one element in the array, that element will be sorted. If एक ही element array में अगर एक ही element है, तो automatically वो sorted है. So this part we have taken as a sorted array. Okay, and we start in insertion sort method. We start from index number 1. Okay, and what is the method? What we do in insertion sort? We take value from each index. First time we are taking the value from index number 1. That is what? Consider this time the value is what? 3. Okay, now we will insert this element to its right position. We will insert this position to the right position. That's why it is called insertion sort. Okay. So let's start from index number 1. I am keeping the value at index number 1 in a variable value. Okay, and this element, this value, we are going to put it to its right position. Okay, so let's see how it is. So we will start comparing this value with to the left side values, and we'll keep comparing till it is smaller than its left value. इसको हम लेफ्ट साइड की वैल्यू से तब तक कंपेयर करेंगे जब तक ये छोटा रहेगा. Am I clear? So here we go. So going to start this. Okay, now we are comparing this to 5. 3 is less than 5. This time we are going to please, I'm reminding you again, we are going to insert this element to its right position. 3 की बात हो रही है. Index number 1 की, index number 1 पे जो वैल्यू उसकी बात हो रही है. We are talking about this element. Okay. So we are comparing this to this side. 3 is less than 5. 3 is the less than its previous index value. Yes, it is. So what we'll do, if it is this, means if this value is less than this, we will shift this element to this side. Means this 5 will shift to this side. Something like this. I will bring this 5 to here. Okay. Am I clear? Then now here, after this, there is no index. There is no index left. There is no element left. So we'll not move further. We will stop here only, and this is the right place for the 3. This index is the right place for the value 3. So we'll put this value to here, and rest element will be there at their own position. Okay, now you can see here 2, here 7, here 9, here 8, here 3, here 4. Keep listening, students, things will be clear. Don't leave this video from this pass only. Pass by pass, the things will be clear. Okay. Now we are going to, now we have put the value at index number 1 to its right position. Now the sorted array is from up to this. Now the sorted array is up to here. This part has been sorted. Sorted array part will increase this side. Now 3, 5, it has been sorted. Okay. Now we'll take the value at index number 2. We have inserted the value at index number 2 to its right position. Now we're going to take the value at index number 2. So the value at index number 2 is what? This time the value at index number 2 is 2. Okay. Now we'll take this value. We'll take this value and we'll keep comparing to the left side values until it is smaller than that. जब तक ये वैल्यू जब तक इधर की वैल्यू से छोटी है तब तक हम कंपेयर करते जाएंगे और शिफ्ट करते जाएंगे. शिफ्टिंग हो रही है. Okay. So now see, this value is less than this. This 2 is less than 5. Yes, it is. So we'll shift this 5 to here. 5 will bring to here. Okay. Now we'll compare this 2 with this value. Is it less than this? Yes. So we'll shift this also to here. Next index पे हम shift कर दे रहे हैं. Now no further elements are left. इसके बाद कोई element है नहीं. So we'll stop here and this 2, the right position of this value 2 is this at index number 2. Okay. Now our sorted array is up to this. Now rest part will be at its right position. Don't focus on the drawing, students. Focus on the values. Okay. 7, 9, 8, 3, 4. Okay. So what we have done, we have put the value at index number 2 to its right position. We are doing shifting, students. Okay. Just take care. Now we are going to take the value at index number 3. Keep listening. Pass by pass, the things will be clear. Now we'll take the value at index number 3. The value at index number 3 is what? 7 this time. So we are taking the value 7. Just take care of this. Now the value which we are going to insert it to its right position is 7. That is at value at index number 3. As I told, we'll start comparing from comparing this element to the elements which are left side of this. So, and we'll keep comparing till it is smaller than the left side values. And we'll keep shifting also. Okay. So 7 is less than 5? No. 7 is less than 5? No. So we will not do the shifting, and it means this index is the right position of value at index number 3. This place is the right place of value 7. So we are not going to shift because it is not less than this value. So we'll stop here itself, and this place is okay. No shifting, no placing. Okay. Now, so the value at index number 3 is also has been inserted to its right position. Okay. 7 की यही position यहीं पे होना चाहिए था, क्योंकि इसके हमने लेफ्ट साइड में कंपेयर किया. ये जो वैल्यू है उससे छोटी नहीं है, बड़ी है, तो हम आगे शिफ्ट ही नहीं करेंगे, कंपेयर ही नहीं करेंगे. Okay. Now sorted array has been reached to this point. This part is unsorted array. Okay. Okay, now we'll take the value at index number 4. The value at index number 4 is what? 9. Value equal to, now we are taking the value 9. Now we are going to put this value to its right position. So the same thing we'll do. We'll compare this value with this previous index value. So is it greater, less than this? No. 9 is less than 7? No. So no shifting, no placing. It means that the right position of this value 9 is here itself. So it will remain here. No shifting, no placing will be there. So sorted array has been reached to this point. Itna part हमारा short हो चुका है. Now we'll take the value at index number 5. The value at index number 5 is what? It is 8. Okay. Now this value 8 we are going to shift. We are going to insert to its right position. Let's see. So we'll do the same thing. We'll compare this value 8 to its left side values, and we'll keep comparing till it is smaller than its left side value. हम इसके लेफ्ट साइड की वैल्यूज कंपेयर करेंगे जब तक ये छोटा है. ठीक है. तो 8 is less than 9. 8 is less than 9. Yes. This 8 is less than 9. So we'll shift this 9. This 8 is less than 9. So we'll shift this 9 to here. Now we'll compare 8 with this. 8 is less than 7. No. No. So it means we will put this value 5 to here. This is the right place of the sorry, this 8, the value is 8, no. This will put this 8 to here. The right place of this 8 is what? Here only. And rest part will be as it is, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, now sorted array is up to this. Okay, now things will be more clear. Listen carefully, keep listening. Now we are going to insert the value at index number 6. The value is what now? 6. Just ध्यान सुनते रहो students. Please keep listening. The value is what now? 6. 6. Okay. So here the value at 6 is what? 3. Okay. The value at 6 is what? 3. So we'll keep comparing this element to its left side value till it is smaller than its left side value. हम इसको ये जो वैल्यू है इंडेक्स नंबर 6 पे जो वैल्यू उसको लेफ्ट साइड के वैल्यू से तब तक कंपेयर करते रहेंगे जब तक कि ये छोटा है, और जब जब शिफ्ट करते रहेंगे लेफ्ट साइड की वैल्यू को राइट साइड में शिफ्ट करते रहेंगे. ध्यान देना, जस्ट लिसन केयरफुली. 3 is less than 9. Yes, this 3 is less than 9. So what we'll do, we'll shift this 9 to here. Okay, now 3 is less than 8. This 3 is less than 8. Yes, now we'll shift this 8 to here. Now this 3 is less than 7. Yes, we'll shift this 7 to this here. We are shifting to right side. This 3 is less than 5. This 3 less than 5. Yes, it is. So we'll shift 5 to this side. We'll keep shifting. Now this 3 is less than 3. This no. छोटा नहीं equal हो गया. So we'll stop here. It means the right position of this 3 is this. So we'll put this value. What is the value? Value is, this time the value is what? 3. Sorry, the value was 3, not 6. So value was 3. This we'll put this value to this position. जहां उससे बड़ी या बराबर वैल्यू मिल गई उसके नेक्स्ट इंडेक्स पे हम इस वैल्यू को इंसर्ट कर देंगे. यहाँ पे वी आर पुटिंग दिस 3 हियर and rest will be as it is. Now this is the position after this pass. Okay, now keep listening students. Now the value, so we have the sorted arrays shifted to this position up to this यहाँ पे गया. Now only this one element is left to insert to its right position, that is 4. Now we're going to take the value at index number 4, that is so the value at index number 7, that is 4. So we have taken 4 this time. Now we are going to insert this 4 to its right position. Keep listening. 4 is less than 9. Yes, 4 is less than 9. So yes, so 9 will shift to this. 9 को हमने यहाँ पे shift कर दिया. Now 4 is less than 8. Yes, so 8 will be shifted to this. Now 4 is less than 7. Yes, so we'll shift 7 to this side. Now 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Yes, so we'll shift this 5 to this side. Now 4 is less than 3. No. 4 is less than 3. No. So here, so the right position of this value 4 is this. 4 is less than 3. No. So right position of this element 4 is this. Okay, and rest will be to its right position, to the same position. Now sorted array shifted to this point, and now you can see the array is in ascending order. Listen carefully. I hope the things are clear. Again I'm telling you we are taking a value from any index and we are comparing with the left side values, and if it is less than that left side value, we are shifting that left side value to the right side. We are keep doing such thing until that value which you have taken is lesser, smaller. जैसे वैल्यू जब तक ये छोटी है तब तक हम उसके लेफ्ट साइड की वैल्यू को राइट साइड शिफ्ट करते जा रहे हैं, और जैसे वो इक्वल या ग्रेटर वैल्यू से मिल रही है हम उसी उसके जस्ट नेक्स्ट पोजीशन पे उस वैल्यू को इंसर्ट कर दे रहे हैं. यही हम कर रहे हैं. नाउ दिस थिंग आई एम गोइंग टू मेक इट क्लियर, मोर क्लियर विद द कोड. ओके, सो हियर वी गो विद द कोड. Code is here in front of you, and I will take the same example and I will show you. Okay, 53279834. The same thing I will copy and paste there, and I will show you these values. Okay, let's see. So this is the code of insertion sort. So after taking the elements of array, consider these elements we have taken as input, the same elements which I have discussed in method. I'm going to arrange them in ascending order, and the same thing I'm going to explain with the programming now. Okay, so let's start. So here I've taken a variable value, and as I told, we start the value of I from 1. First of all, we take the value at index number 1 and we'll try to insert it to its right position. Okay, so I starts from 1, I equal to 1. That value at, and this condition, you know, a dot length, condition I equal to 1, a dot length is what, 8, condition true, so control will go inside the loop. Now value equal to ai, the value of I is 1, so value equal to a1. See here the value, first time the value is what, a1, the value at index number 1 is 3. Means this we are going to insert to its right position, insertion sort. Okay. And as I told you, we take a value at from index and we start comparing to the left side elements. Okay. And we'll keep comparing till this element is smaller. ओके हम लेफ्ट साइड की वैल्यू से तब तक कंपेयर करते रहते हैं जब तक कि ये वैल्यू छोटी रहती है. जैसे उसे बड़ी या बराबर वैल्यू मिलेगी उसके नेक्स्ट इंडेक्स पे हम शिफ्ट कर देंगे. दिस इज द प्रोसीजर. लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो वैल्यू इक्वल टू ए आई. I is 1, so a1 we have stored into the variable value. This we are going to put to its right position. Now the value of j will start from I minus 1. Since as I told we start comparing from the left side in values. So since we have taken this value, so we'll start comparing from index number 0. So that's why j we are starting from I minus 1. So the value of j will start from 0. Just keep focus the value of j. J equal to I minus 1 means 0. Now this condition, see this condition is here, you know, you can see we are decreasing j here, j minus minus. It is, I have written j minus minus. If it is not clear, I am telling you, it is j minus minus. So after j 0, j equal to 0, if we decrease it, it will become minus 1. So it becomes, if it is minus 1, it means there is no element left. After 0, it will become what? Minus 1. If it is minus 1, it means there is no element left. In that case, when the value of j will become minus 1, this condition will be false. So this condition is for that only. Okay, कि j की value जब तक positive रहे, it must be positive, no, because there is no negative index, there is no minus 1. So as soon as the value of j will become minus 1, it means what? There is no element left to compare. So there this condition will be false and control will go outside the loop. This condition is for that only. Okay. Now this condition, as I told, the value which we have taken, we'll keep comparing until till this value is less than its previous index value, its left side values. Okay, जब तक ये वैल्यू छोटा रहेगा प्रीवियस इंडेक्स की वैल्यू से तब तक हम कंपेयर करते रहेंगे. तो ये दिस कंडीशन फॉर दैट ओनली. ओके, सो लिसन, I j equal to 0, this condition is true. You can see j is greater than or equal to 0. Yes, aj means a0. What is a0? 5. 5, and what is the value of value? It is 3. The 5 is greater than 3, value is less than 5, is condition true. So control will go inside the loop. This 3 is less than this, yes. So what we'll do, we'll shift this 5 to index number 1. We'll shift this to here. Okay, this we do. So here this condition is true, so control will go inside the loop. Now what we're doing, we are shifting the value at aj to aj plus 1. Means the value at index number 0, we are shifting to a1. Means 5 will be shifted here. This a0, what is a0? 5 will be shifted to a1, means here. Now the 5 will be shifted to here at index number 1. Okay, now from here j minus minus, the value of j will become minus 1 and this condition will be false. This condition will be false. You can see there is j equal to minus 1 and there is no such index minus 1. So this condition is for that only. Now this condition will be false, control will go outside the loop. It will reach here. This is inner loop. Control will go outside this loop and will reach here. Okay. Now we have shifted this to here. Now we'll put, since we have shifted to this here, after this there is no element left. So the right position for this value is index number 0. This is the right position of that. So that we are putting that value, that is 3, we are storing to aj plus 1. J is what? Minus 1. The minus 1 plus 1 will be what? 0. Means at a0 will store the value, that is 3 here. Means at index number 3 we'll put the value. Okay. Now rest elements will be its same position, no change. 9, 8, 3 and 4. Okay, this is the situation. Now from here control will go back to the position. Now again let me remove all these. Now from this closing control will go for I plus plus. Now the value of I will become 2. So I equal to 2, this condition is true, control will go inside the loop, second pass. Now we'll take the value at index number 2. I is 2, so value equal to A2. The value at index number 2 is what? 2. So that we are storing into the value. Now the value of value is 2. Now we'll try to insert this element to its right position. Okay. So value equal to A2. Now we have taken the value at index number 2. And as I told you, start comparing to the left side. Okay. So value equal to A2 ho gaya. Now j equal to I minus 1. We'll start comparing from index number 1. Since I is 2, so we'll start comparing from index number 1. That's why we are starting the value of j from 1. Okay. So here j equal to I minus 1, that is 1. Okay. This condition is true. Now value, what is the value of value? It is 2 aj. Aj means a1. A1 is what? 5. See this, these elements. A1 is what? 5. 5 is greater than 2. Yes, condition true. Value choti hai. The value is less than aj. Condition true. So control will go inside the loop. Now at aj plus 1, see this value is less than this value. So we'll shift this value to this side. Next index. So at aj plus 1 means at a2 we are storing a1. At a2 we are going to store a1. At a2 means at this index we are going to shift this 5 here. So 5 will be shifted here. Okay. Then here j minus minus. J will become what? 0. J will be what now? 0. Okay. Now see. J is 0 now. J minus minus. Now what about this condition? This condition is true. Now a0 is greater than value. The value at index number 0 is what? 3. A0 is greater than value. Yes, again the value at A0 is 3. And what is the value? 2. Condition true. Again this value is less than this left side value. Condition true. So what we'll do? We'll shift this AJ, means the value of A0 will shift to A1. ये value यहाँ पे shift हो जाएगी. 3 यहाँ पे आ जाएगी. We'll shift the value at index number 0 to A1. We have shifted this. Okay. Now j minus minus. J will be what? Minus 1. So minus 1 means there is no element left to compare. This condition will be false. So control will go outside this loop from here to here, this loop, and it will reach here. Now, you know, the right position for this value 2 is this, index number 0. Okay, we have shifted. So the right position for the value that is 2 is this, index number 0. So that we are doing j plus 1. J is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 will be what? 0. That a0, that value will be stored. That 2 will be stored at index number 0. And the rest element to its right position, to the same position, 9, 8, 3, and 4. Okay. Keep listening, students. Okay. Then from here, okay, it's okay. I'm removing all this. Okay. Now from here, control go for I plus plus. Now the value of I will become 3. Condition true. Control will go inside the loop. Now value equal to AI. AI means I is what? 3. Now we are taking the value at index number 3 to put it to insert it to its right position. So the value at index number 3 is what? 7. So the I equal to 3. Now value equal to A3. A3 means what is A3? The value at A3 is what? 7. So the value is what now? 7. This we are going to put to its right position. So what we'll do, we'll start comparing to the previous index, to the index, the left side values. So j will start from the value of, since the value of I is 3, so j will start from 2. J equal to I minus 1. Okay. J equal to I minus 1 means j equal to 2. This condition is true, but this condition, see what the value of value? 7. And the value of A2. A2 means the value at A2 is what? 5. This condition is false. This value is not less than the left side value. So this condition is false. So control will go outside the loop. It means the value is its right position. जो value 7 open right position पे है. So it will be stored at to that place only. So coming outside the loop, it will reach here. Now aj plus 1. J is what? 2. So a2 plus 1 means 3. So at index number 3, that is, it's already it is at index number 3. This 7 value will be stored. What is the value? 7 will be stored at A3, means value will be stored here itself at the same position. There will be no change. Then from here it will go for I plus plus. The value of I will become 4 now. Let me delete all these for less confusion. Okay. Now see, the value of I is what now? The value of I is 3 now. 4, sorry, 4. Condition true, length is 8, condition 2, control will go inside a loop. Now value equal to A4. A4 is what? 9. 9 is the value which we are going to shift to the right position. The value is what now? 9. Here I am writing again. Value is what? 9. Just take care of this. Now j will start from I minus 1, that is j will start from 3. This element we have taken, so we'll start from index number 3. That's why from I minus 1. Now this condition is true, okay, but what about this condition? See, j is 3, a3, what is a3? The value at a3 is what? 7. And the value is what? To which we are going to shift, to which we are going to insert is 9. This condition is false. 9 is less than 7, condition false. This condition is false, so control will go outside the loop. It means the right position of this 9 is here itself. This is the right position of 9. So this condition is false, so control will go outside this loop and will reach here. Here aj plus 1, j is what? 3, means at a4 the value will be stored, means at the same index the value will be stored. It will remain at its own position, no change. Then I plus plus. Now from here the value of I will increase, it will become, now the value of I will become 5. Okay, I am making it 5. Now this condition is true, control will go inside the loop. Now see, the value of j, value equal to ai, the value at index number 5 will store into the value. What is that? The value at index number 5 is what? 8. The value is what now? Here I am writing again. Let me remove all this. Now the value, current value of value is what? To which we are going to insert to its right position is 8. Value at index number 5, this value. Okay. So value equal to ai, done. Now j will start from I minus 1, means j will start from index number 4. 5 की वैल्यू क्लियर, तो इंडेक्स नंबर 4 से कंपेयर करना शुरू करेंगे. ओके, j इक्वल टू i minus 1, j will be 4. This condition is true. What about this condition? The value is what? 8 and aj means a4. What is a4? a4 is 9. Condition is true. This value is less than this value. Condition true. So at aj plus 1 means at a5 means here the a4 will be stored. a4, if the value at a4 will be shifted to this position, means 9 will be stored here. Okay, we are shifting. Then from here j minus minus, the value of j will become 3. Okay, the value of j will become 3. Now a3, this condition is true. a3, what is a3? See, 7. a3 is what now? 7. 7 is greater than value. What is value? 8. Condition false. अब वो value छोटी नहीं, condition false, so control will go outside the loop. Okay, so at aj plus 1 means at a4 the value will be stored. This means 8 will be stored at index number 4. Means यहाँ पे 8 store हो जाएगा. And this thing will be to its same position. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 3 and 4. Okay, and then from here control will go for I plus plus. Now the value of I will become, 6. Condition is true. Control will go inside the loop. Now value equal to ai means the value of I is what now? 6. The value of ai means at the value at a6 is what? 3. That it will be stored into variable value. So the value is what now? 3. This we are going to put to its right position. Now j will start from, since I is 6, so j will start from 5. Okay, condition true. This condition is true. What about this condition? The value is 3. aj means a5. What is a5? 9. Condition true. So what will happen? The value of aj means a5 will be stored to, the value of a5 will be stored to a6. Okay, this value will be shifted to this side. Okay, I'm clear. Then j minus minus, j will be what now? 4. What is a4? The value at a4 is 8. 8 is greater than 3. Condition true. Again value abhi choti hai. The condition is true, so control will go inside the loop. Now the value of aj means a4 will be stored at a5. The value of a4 will be stored at a5. Shifting हो रही है, यहाँ पे 8 आ जाएगा. Now j minus minus, j will be 3. Now what is a3? The value at a3 is what? The value at A3 is 7. Okay, the value at A3 is what? 7. So 7 is greater than 3. Compare तब तक comparison तब तक होता रहेगा जब तक वो value छोटी है. A3 J is what is A3? The value of J is what now? 3. A3 is greater than 7. Sorry, A3 is greater than 3. Condition true. Control will go inside the loop. The value of A3 will be stored at A4. The value of A3 will be stored at A4. यहाँ store हो जाएगा. Okay. Then J minus minus J will be what? 2. Now value at A2. What is the value of A2? The value of A2 is 5. 5 is greater than 3. Condition true. So control will go inside the loop and the value of A2 will be shifted to A3. The value of A2 will be shifted to A3. Now J minus minus J will be 1. Now this condition, the value of J is what? 1. So A1, what is the value of J? A1? 3. 3 is greater than 3. This condition is false. The condition is false. So control will go outside this inner loop. Will reach here. So this is the right position of this element. Value 3. So at J plus 1, AJ plus 1, J is 1. At A2 means here the value will be stored, that is 3. And rest will be its own position. No change. Then 4. This is the situation after this fifth pass, fourth pass, whatever. Then from here again it will go for the previous for value I. The value of I will become, it was 6, no, now value of I will become 7. 7 condition I will be 7, condition 2, control will go inside the loop. Now value equal to A7. Now we are going to take the value which is at index number 7. That is what? 4. Now this we are going to insert to its right position. So we'll start comparing from previous index. So J we are starting from 6. I is 7. So we start comparing from 6, index number 6. Now condition 2, J is greater than 0. Okay. AJ, value is what? This time value is 4. A6 is greater than 4. A6 is 9. Yes, it is greater than 4. Condition true. 9 is greater than 4. Condition true. So the value of A6 will be stored at A7. 9 will be stored here. The value of A6 will be stored at A7. Now J minus 1, J will be 5. The value at A5 is what? 8. 8 is greater than 4. Condition true. Control go inside the loop. So the value of A5 will be stored at A6. A5, the value of A5 will be stored at A6. 8 will be shifted here. Now J minus minus, J will be 4. The value at A4, what is the value of at A4? The value at A4 is 7. 7 is greater than 4, condition 2, control go inside the loop. At A5, A4 will be shifted to A5. The value of A5 will be shifted to A4 will be shifted to A5. Okay, now J minus minus, J will be 3, condition true. Condition true. J is 3. A3, what is the value at A3? A3 is 5. 5 is greater than 4. Yes, condition 2. Control go inside the loop. Then A4 will be stored at A5. The value of A4, J is 3, sorry. A3 will be stored at A4. The value of A3 will be stored at A4. यहाँ store हो जाएगा. Shift होता जा रहा है. J minus minus, J will be 2. Now what is the value of A2? The value of A2 is 3. The value of A2 is what? 3. Now this condition is false. अब ये value छोटी नहीं है. उसके बड़ी उससे छोटी value मिल गई. Now this value is not smaller. This condition is false. You can see the value at A2 is what? The value at A2 is 3. Is greater than 4. Greater than value? No, condition false. So control will go outside this loop and will reach here. So this is the right position of this value. So at J plus 1 means at A3 means here at this index, value will be stored. What is value? 4 will be stored and rest will be to its same position. Okay. So now you can see now from here I plus plus I will be 8. This condition will be false. Control will go outside the loop. Will reach here now. Now you can see the array is in ascending order. Okay. So after arranging, we are displaying the elements of array with masses sorted list. So all the elements, sorted elements will be printed after sorting. The array elements will be printed. So you'll have 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9 printed on the screen. Okay. So I have explained. Okay. And this code was for this ascending order. Now if you want to arrange the elements of array in ascending order, only a slight change, only simple change you have to do. Instead of checking for greater than, you will check for less than. Only this for descending order. This change you have to do, and the same code will arrange the elements of array in descending order. Okay, so students, I have tried my best to explain this insertion sort. I have explained first, I have explained the method, then I have explained through the code. Please watch that everything carefully. I hope the things are clear. Still, if you have confusion, you can ask through comment section. Okay, and for this video, this much only. Thank you.